In this video, we install a slope-back canvas enclosure on a 280 Sundancer. The process is the same for the 260, 300, 320, and 340 Sundancers from 2000 to 2008, depending on the model's production years. The 10-piece set includes the tops, windows, and zipper valances. The snap fasteners are also included. Starting with the zipper valance for the bimini top, slide it into the C-track on the arch, and then center it on the arch. Do the same for the rear zipper valance, which C-Ray calls the sunshade zipper valance. To begin the installation of the bimini top, unscrew the screw for the strut and pull the pin on the mount on top of the windshield frame. The bimini top is marked as B top fab. Slide the top onto the frame. Then put the pin back in the mount. Secure the screw in the front strut. The front struts have a push-button adjustment to adjust the length. Use them to make the frame higher, which brings the bimini top closer to the arch. Zipper the top to the arch. Then adjust the struts back to the shorter position, which will make the bimini top tight. The top is centered on the frame when the distance from the frame fitting to the canvas is the same on both sides. Moving on to the snaps, we'll use the tools in the loaner toolkit. The fitting spikes hold the canvas in place before any snaps are pressed into the canvas. The canvas comes with the snaps and screw studs in case you need to replace any of the studs on the arch. Load the snaps into the Hoover press and snap. Then mark the center snap stud with the chalk included in the loaner toolkit. Press the first snap through the canvas and weather stripping. Then continue working outward, snap by snap. The top behind the arch is abbreviated SunFab. The sunshade top is installed the same way. Remove the screw and pin on one side of the frame, slide the top onto the frame, and reinstall the screw and pin. Adjust the struts, zipper the top to the zipper valance on the arch, then adjust the struts to make the top tight. Mark the center snap with chalk. Press the snap and work outward from there. With the tops now installed, we move on to the 3 front windows, which are shipped in foam sheets. Care instructions are also included. The windows include the snaps hardware. If there are any snaps missing, now's the time to install new ones. Zipper the 3 front windows with the front center window. Pull it towards the windshield frame. When the window is centered, there won't be any diagonal wrinkles in the window vinyl. It'll have a V shape when it's properly centered. Mark the center snap stud and press the first snap. Work outward from there, marking and snapping as you go. Do the same with the side curtain set. Zipper in place, then press the snaps. With the 5 front windows now installed, this is a good time to apply spray protection. There are many good products on the market, and any of them are better than nothing. Moving on to the last piece, the sunshade aft curtain. Zipper it to the sunshade top and zipper valance to the arch. Depending on the model year, bungees or snaps are used across the transom. If the boat uses bungees, they'll be installed in the canvas. Earlier versions use snaps. The canvas comes with all of the snaps and screw studs needed for installation. Chalk and install the snaps along the gunnels and up the arch. Apply a heavy coat of spray protector on the back window. The installation's now complete. It's time to go boating.